this question again we have four principles. Principle 1 explains to us about mischief. Principle 2 explains about criminal misappropriation. Principle 3 speaks about criminal breach of trust. Principle 4 speaks about committing theft, right? Now again facts remain the same. That is, A is an archaeologist who deals in antiques. He was going abroad for the vacation. He called his servant B, who asked him to clean the room. While B was cleaning the room, he found an old urn. It had a few cracks on it, right? He showed the urn to A, who on careful observation realized that the urn belonged to the Indus Valley civilization. He asked B to keep the urn safely. One day B realized that the cracks in the urn had widened. Therefore, in order to prevent any further damage, he filled the cracks with plaster and also fixed the chipped fragments using the glue. A's friend C visited A's house and B told him about the urn. C told B that even though the value of the urn had been diminished, he will still pay him rupees 10,000. B sold the urn to C. C asked B to keep the urn with him. Now, at that time, another servant of A, who D, was also there. He overheard the entire conversation and decided in his mind that he will secretly take the urn from B so as to restore it to A. Decide. Now, over here, we need to decide whether D is guilty of committing theft or not. Now, over here, D is not guilty of committing theft. Now, the reason why D is not guilty of committing theft is, if we read the principle properly, the principle states that in order to commit theft, a person should have, that is, whoever intending to take dishonestly any movable property out of the possession of any other person without that person's consent moves the property in order to such taking is said to commit theft. So over here, whoever essentials are dishonestly any movable property out of the possession of the person without that person's consent, moving of that property is said to commit theft, right? So these are the essentials, right, in the principle. Now if we read the facts, we get to know that clearly the essentials are not established. Clearly all the essentials which are provided in principle number 4 have not been fulfilled in the facts, right? That is, D is not guilty of committing theft, as what he did was that he merely decided to take the urn out of B's possession. That is, D was also there. He overheard the conversation and decided in his mind he will secretly take the urn from B. Right? He decided that he will take the urn out of the possession of B. Right? Now over here, further, though he made his mind to take, he had made up his mind to take the urn out of B's possession, but he did not actually do it. Right? So this was first aspect of it. Right? The second aspect says, we do not get to know whether he has actually taken the urn out of the possession, right? We do not know it from the facts, right? So clearly, again, the moves the property in order to such taking is provided in the principle. However, from the facts we get to know that he never took any property out of the possession, right? Taking the movable property out of the possession being one of the essential ingredients of theft as defined in principle 4, we can say that it was not satisfied in the present set of facts. Therefore, the correct answer is A, that is, D is not guilty of committing theft.